Now let's view the same types of problems, but doing it in the method you might have to on, say, an ACP or an SAT test. Given an equation, we're going to approximate to the nearest hundredth relative or absolute extrema of this equation. So here's what you will do. You'll open up your calculator, and you'll go to graph. And you'll type in the equation. It was x to the fourth. I believe it was minus 5x squared. Let me double check that real quick. Was it minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 4? Minus 2x plus 4. Now here's your graph. And so I'm going to, before I take a picture of it, I will move it over here in a second. I'll show you on a graph, our calculator, we can find these minimums and maximums really easy by going to Analyze Graph. You go to Analyze, we could look for minimums. What you do is you take this, after you click minimum, you take this dotted line and you just move it to the left of that minimum. So it's right there on the left, and then I move the next, after I hit enter, I move it to the right, and it gives me the point. That's that minimum. Now I can do it again. Analyze graph. If I want to find the other minimum, I click it again. But this time I want to go to the left of this minimum, hit enter, and then I'll go to the right, hit enter again. And there's that value. And now if I want to find the other maximum that I see on there, I'll choose maximum. I'll go to the left of this maximum right there, hit enter, go to the right, press enter. There's that point. So I got all three of my points here. Now I'm going to copy this and bring it over here. And the question asks me to state the x values where they occur. So we have, this is a relative minimum. That occurs when x equals negative 1.47. We have an absolute minimum when x equals 1.67. And then we have, this looks like a relative maximum when x equals negative 0. I think we're to the nearest hundredth, so negative 0.20. Those would be my three values. Now you can try the next one.